What?
Dad.
What?
Look who you got in. Look who you got in there.
What? Why'd they get down in there?
Oh my God.
Is it your money?
A new money.
What?
Let's play hockey ball.
Let's play soccer ball?
Yeah.
What about the money?
What money? We'll play hockey ball, Dad.
Okay.
We'll play hockey ball. Go. Okay, I'm playing soccer ball.
No, it's raining out. Let's play in here.
Can you hear me?
No, yeah.
What? Stay in here?
No,
Dad,
yeah.
pass the ball back.
No, yeah.
It's not nice out.
Yeah.
No. Raining.
Step right here.
Dad,
What?
come.
What?
Come. How play hockey ball? Quick.
Okay, kick it to me.
Then Dad, you kick it to me.
You guys are all so sick.
Here, Dad.
Well, I'm not.
Let's go hide.
No, let's play in here.
No, let's be a hide.
You're too sick.
Let's be a hide.
Shane, pass the ball.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Call. We're call.
Did you get the ball for him? You're such a good boy. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go soon.
No.
Yeah,
Why?
'cause I gotta go to work, man. Believe me, I don't want to go. Okay.
Hockey ball.
Yes. Max,
I'll be a hockey ball, Dad.
kick it to me.
What?
I can't go out in the grass, it's wet.
I know.
Kick it.
I know. Come.
No, I'm not going on the grass.
I know.
No.